Daddy, hi. We're almost there.
Where's your mask?
Okay, Mother, interview time. How do you feel?
So good.
We finally made it to the gate.
Yeah.
What time is it?
I don't feel like leaving anymore. This is the kind of travel that we're doing.
We have 2 hours and 30 more minutes until we board.
Exactly.
This airport is so bougie. Here's the Duke endorsing a watch.
Macedonian, Tagalog, Bahasa, Urdu, plus the Arabic language. Kindly let us know if we can assist you by...
We are now arrived at Saudi Arabia. We're in Riyadh. And this is what the airport looks like. Look at all these designers.
Sana madara sa lakat ako daw mamuti ang tako. Ha? Ato ba?
Tunog-tunog ma?
Alibot-libot na ka doon. Ha?
Tunog-tunog Look at all the souvenirs. This is Look! Look, it's real gold. Is that real? That's not real gold. It's a coffee pot. It's Mama. You see that? Look at the writings. Wow.
Yeah. Souvenir.
Oh, look at this Toblerone right here. And Kit Kat. We're about to land in Manila. 15 minutes. Oh my god, we're in baggage claim, waiting for our... I have one more bag that we're waiting for. Exit lang kami, dyan lang kasagwa. We're here in Iloilo. It's our hotel check-in. Show. Yes, Mom. I'm vlogging. Vlog to to. Hi, vlog.
Hi, vlog.
Nonoy. Ay,
Hi.
Mommy. Love you. Ay, sus. Lola. Lola. Sino Dayala? Sino Dayala?
Sino bisita mo?
Ang bawi Lola. Bye-bye tayo. Bakit tayo?
Sino ko? Sino yung bata? May guwapa.
Sino na?
Kusian, kung ginihita mo. Sino dyan? Wow, Ning.
Sini.
Naging nga naging man. Siniling
It's currently 5 in the morning. And we're already up. Morning! Everyone here. Welcome to the vlog. First day in Iloilo. The whole fam. We're gonna go get some breakfast. I'm going to Jollibee. Breakfast time. We got so much food and more on the way. We're going to the mall. Ano na? Oh! Ano naman? Tingala ko. Sino ni? Sino ni? Toto.
Si Mickey Mouse.
Si Mickey Mouse? Let me see your hat. Wow! We're at the mall. Oh, they have H&M. We're at SM City Supermarket.
Yes, this is so...
A typical supermarket here in Iloilo. Good morning, guys. It is currently 4:11 in the morning, and we are just getting on the road for our 1-week road trip. Hi! I think they're all tired. We're currently leaving Iloilo City
slow but sure, huh?
Our first stop is what? Estancia? Estancia Isla Gigantes. We love driving early in the morning because of the fog. Oh, look at the view! So that's Negros across the water. Oh, look at the sunrise. Ostrich in that farm right there. Apparently they raise ostrich. That. In the Philippines, we have a lot of rice fields. That's water, drinking water. We're currently at Imbelinas. This is the resort that one of our good friends own. So we're just waiting to have breakfast, and then we're gonna head over to the beach. And we have what, 1 hour? 1 hour boat ride?
I don't know.
I think it's something like that. But we're gonna go island hopping at Isla Gigantes. But I'm just showing you guys the restaurant where we're staying at. So pretty. Hi. It's an inland resort. Yeah. It's hot, very hot and humid in the Philippines, so we're very sweaty. As soon as you step outside, you start sweating. We just got our food. So everybody got breakfast food, Filipino breakfast food. This is a typical breakfast. We have rice, we have tocino, we have eggs. I think my brother has tapa. Another one. My parents got eggplant with veggies. Bon appetit. We're on the way to the port now. We just got to the port of Estancia. This is a fishing port, so you can smell all the stinky fish, but it's totally fine. We're gonna ride a boat to cross to Isla Gigantes. Hi guys, we are on our second island here at Isla Gigantes. We went to the first one was ano to gani? Kabugao Gamay. Kabugao Gamay, which means what, ma'am?
Small pomelo.
Small pomelo.
Pomelo is kabugao.
Small pomelo. I'm not sure what the name of the second island is right now, but we're on the second island where we're gonna eat.
You will see the tents.
We have tents in front of us. I'm gonna show you guys. So these are like I think this is called like glamping. These are like extra large tents. So we're gonna tell everyone how we did this tour if they're interested. So if you want to do the Isla Gigantes tour here in CARLES, no? This is CARLES. So we have a family friend that owns a resort, but they were able to facilitate a boat tour for us. So we paid 14,000 pesos for 7 people, but it includes lunch, snacks, a boat tour,
and island hopping.
Entrance fee. Yeah, with the boat tour you do like island hopping, so you go to like different islands, and then you just get to like see the famous you know, like when you see those pictures on the internet, they will take you to those places so you can take pictures yourself, and then they cook the food for you. So we're just waiting for our lunch.
It's just about less than $300. So
$300. Yeah, 14,000 for 7 people, but the whole boat is ours. So it's like it's a private boat. Yeah,
it's a day.
It's a big boat.
Tour.
Yeah, it's a day tour. But after this, it's from 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. But after this, we can go home.
They're doing the grill.
Oh yeah, they're grilling for us.
Oh, that's nice. They're doing the grill for our food, for our lunch. Oh, I hope it will be a nice fish.
I think everything is fresh.
Can I get a dried scallop? Okay. Here
So,
I have a dried scallop. I bought
Mom.
this, and this is tastes delicious.
It's
really
salty.
Nice. Salty.
She like dried scallops.
It's crunchy.
I never tried dried scallops.
Let's try it.
Oh my goodness. My nephew's covered in sand. Hala! Hala! Butang ititi, butang ititi. Butang gamay nga titi. May titi-titi. My little nephew is enjoying himself so much. Dave! This is the food that we got as part of our package. Oh my goodness. We got crabs,
Some rice, have squid.
squid,
I don't know what kind of squid is that.
another squid,
Shrimp.
prawns. And we got limpo. But there's so many langaws in here. Ginapa ni din. Ha? Oh, gani. We are at our third island of the day, and I think this might be the last one. But look how pretty! It's supposed to be a sandbar in that area, but it's high tide right now, so you can't really see it, unfortunately. But just look at the view. So this is like a typical place in the Philippines. Across the street, there's like a place where you can buy grilled foods, like street foods. So let's check them out.
Ano yun ka? Mukha ka?
Oo, pagid po.
Siya lang?
Damo ah.
Ha?
Damo ah. Tapila na.
Tipila niya ako. 70.
So we just sit here and we just wait for them to cook all the stuff that we ordered. We get a bunch of stuff. And it's like different stands, but they kind of sell the same stuff. Gusto na nila goreng? Bukas pa rin sila? Oh, selfie? Ano? Picture tabi?
Alam mo ko mga muna, dapat din mo sila pag... Kailangan nila.
Trying isaw for the first time in 10 years. So we're gonna try mascara. Ano siya mascara? Big face?
Big face.
Big face. It's like regular pig. It's good though. We're currently in Iloilo City, but we are gonna be traveling again to CAPIZ. And we're gonna pass by Kalinog to see family. Yay! We're gonna pass by the new flyover. So this flyover is only for private vehicles. So they don't allow bikes, jeepneys, and other public transportation. It's supposed to cut down traffic in the city. Yay! So we just stopped and got something called bye-bye. Wait, it means girl in Filipino. This is what it looks like. It's like sticky. I think it's like glutinous. My favorite. Then we have something called kalamay-hati. What is it made of, Mom?
Made of sugar.
What is it made of?
With coconut milk.
It's coconut milk and what?
Rice powder.
Sweet rice.
And sweet rice.
Sweet rice powder.
And the bye-bye is made of sticky rice
Sticky rice also.
and coconut milk.
Called it kalamay hati.
We call it diabetes in English.
It's mostly found in Iloilo. I think this is where it's from.
Famous in Santa Barbara, in Pavia, Iloilo.
Yeah, there you go. So fun fact about the Philippines is when you get gas, there's always someone waiting to put the gas in themselves. So you don't have to get out the car, you just give them the money and they do it for you. Yep. We are now entering Maribong. This is where I was born and where we grew up. But everything looks so different. And this is our house. Wow. We're at the back of the pickup truck. We're gonna go to San Jose. My aunt's house. She's the one that died. Another aunt's house right there. We are probably the highest mountain in San Jose. Oh! Woo! We're running! Nami. Ano yung tawag nang?
San Martin nila.
San Martin? This is called San Martin.
Ano para mo to bakit kon lagbong kang malubat.
So this is my grandpa's land. 115 acres, hectares. A lot of land.
May lupa ganito.
It's owned by my grandfather. Wow, look at the little falls. Woo! Nami ba? We are at Langit now. Ano na siya ba? Is this the highest mountain? Ano na siya na? Highest mountain in Mampao. This is the place of my dad. This is his homeland.